Hello friends, do you feel sometimes that universe doesn't listen to you? It doesn't understand what you want and actually play a games with you? So today's story is about the similar feelings a boy had. So there was a teenager who wanted a bike since long. So he asked his father if he scores well in 12th, will he get the bike? The father said yes, if he really does well in his 12th, he may think about getting him the bike. So the boy really works hard and does his good to get the good scoring. And the final result comes and he does score really well. So he calls his father and he informs him that as per your expectation, I really did well. So I really want that when I come home, I have my key, I have my bike. Father doesn't reply anything and he cuts the phone. The boy reaches home in the evening and he asks father for the bike. The father gives him a spiritual book. The boy feels dejected, angry, and he throws the book on the father's face and he just leaves the house. He feels that his father doesn't care for him, his feelings, his emotions. They don't love him and they are good for nothing. So he keeps mulling on those emotions and he goes back home very late at night. He goes to his room, the book is still lying on his bed. He doesn't look at the book. Then he feels like just opening the book and see what it is inside. And he opens the book to see the content of the book and he finds the key of the bike. To his surprise, he was so happy that actually in this spiritual book cover there was the gift that he always wanted, and he got misguided by the packaging of the gift. So the same thing happens with most of us. We always want something from the universe and we get actually fooled by the package. So if you want to get into a very good college and do your well, but you get rejected by the name of the college. If you really want your partner to love you and care for you, but you get rejected by the maybe the look, the complexion, the height, or the career profile of your partner. If you are really looking for a job where everyone understands you, but you get rejected by the pay scale. So universe is really listening from us and it's really giving us what we want. Maybe the style is different, maybe the method is different. So even now when we are in quarantine, we may feel the world is doing unjust, the universe is doing justice. We need to reflect back. Is it something that I always wanted is coming in different package? I wanted a long vacation, I wanted to pursue my hobby, I wanted to spend more time with my family, I wanted to reflect or introspect about my own self. And today in this lockdown, we have all the time for ourselves, our family, and to plan our future. So let's not get dejected by the package again. Reflect, is it something that I wanted is coming to me in different package, and accept it with grateful, with grace, and the universe may shower more blessings to us. All the best. See you again with some more seeds for the soul. Thank you.